Does the thought of using artificial intelligence in marketing scares you? Don't be. AI marketing has never been easier thanks to today's many tools and platforms. This video shows you how to use AI technology to automate and optimize your marketing campaigns. We'll cover everything from chatbots and email automation to predictive analytics and customer segmentation. So whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, get ready to take your skills to the next level with AI marketing.
Have you ever struggled to come up with a name for your business or project? Are you staring at a blank page or whiteboard with no inspiration? Well, fear not, my friend, because Naming Magic is here to help. Naming Magic is not your average business naming tool. It's a powerful AI-driven engine that utilizes GPT-3 natural language technology to help entrepreneurs generate creative and memorable names for their companies. The device was created by Swift Ventures in collaboration with OpenAI, one of the leading AI research organizations in the world. The idea behind Naming Magic is simple: to make the process of naming a company accessible and stress-free for entrepreneurs. All you need to do is input a brief product description and a few keywords, and the tool will suggest potential ideas for you. The AI engine analyzes the information you provide and generates a list of relevant, unique, and brandable names. But what makes Naming Magic stand out from other naming tools is the technology behind it. GPT-3 is one of the most advanced and natural language models available today, with the ability to generate human-like text and understand complex language patterns. Using GPT-3, Naming Magic can offer a level of creativity and accuracy unmatched by other naming tools. The team behind Naming Magic includes the founders of TubeMogul, a video advertising platform acquired by Adobe in 2016. They know firsthand how challenging it can be to develop an excellent name for a company, and that's why they created this tool. Their experience and expertise have helped them create a device that is effective and easy to use. Swift Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage companies focusing on AI and data-first businesses. They have a deep understanding of the power of AI and are always on the lookout for new ideas and innovative startups. So if you have an excellent idea for a business and need some help with naming, be sure to reach out to Swift Ventures. They might just be the partner you're looking for. In short, Naming Magic is a game-changing tool that makes naming a company fast, easy, and fun. Its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface make it the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to focus on building their businesses rather than on finding a name. So if you're looking for a way to take the stress out of naming your company, give Naming Magic a try. You won't be disappointed. Have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember a password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools, and the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easier to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out. Have you heard about Evelop? It's an amazing AI-based tool for creating and managing affiliate stores. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with what it has to offer. Think about it. With Evelop, you can have your own affiliate store up and running in just a few clicks, and you won't have to worry about a thing. No inventory, no order management, no customer service, no product sourcing. Evelop takes care of it all. And the best part, you can start earning commissions right away. Evelop works with all affiliate programs, so you can choose products that you're passionate about and that you know your audience will love. And with its advanced tools and features, you'll be able to maximize your commissions like never before. From automatic product imports and price and availability synchronization to artificial intelligence-based content writing, translation, and SEO optimization, Evelop has got you covered. And if you're worried about SEO, don't be. Evelop offers 50 unique SEO optimizations, features, and a full SEO management dashboard. With Evelop, you'll be able to create content 6 times faster and optimize your site for search engines with ease. And the cherry on top, you can get started with Evelop for just $10 a month. That's an unbeatable offer, especially when you consider all the time and money you'll save compared to traditional affiliate website creation. And the best part is, with Evelop, you'll never feel lost or alone in the affiliate world. Their customer support team is always there to help you out, no matter what you need. Whether you're looking for guidance on product selection, help with optimizing your site for search engines, or just have a question about how to use a feature, they're always just a phone call or email away. And you can manage all your sites from one place. That's right, with Evelop, you'll have a single account where you can manage all your affiliate stores, making it super convenient and easy to keep track of everything. Another thing I love about EvelUp is that it's constantly evolving and improving. The EvelUp team is always working on new features and updates to make sure that their users are always ahead of the curve when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you can be sure that as the affiliate market continues to grow and change, EvelUp will be right there with you, giving you the tools and support you need to succeed. So there you have it, my friend. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for creating and managing your affiliate stores, look no further than EvelUp. With its advanced AI technology, comprehensive hosting and support, and unbeatable offer of $10 a month, it's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to start earning commissions and building their affiliate empire. So don't wait. Sign up for the 7-day free trial today and see for yourself what EvelUp can do. Have you ever spent hours brainstorming a creative domain name for your new business only to find that it's already taken? Well, have no fear, because Smartynames.com is here to save the day. This fantastic website is an AI-driven tool that generates unique and catchy domain names for your business in just 20 seconds or less. First of all, the domain name search service offered by Smartynames.com is not only fast, but it's also straightforward to use. You must enter a keyword or phrase related to your business, and the website will generate dozens of domain names ideas available for purchase. You can also use custom filters to narrow down your search and get even more targeted results. If you're looking for something unique, Smartynames.com offers unusual alt TLDs that automatically select relevant alt TLDs for businesses. These can be a great way to stand out from the crowd and make your business even more memorable. And if you're worried about the cost of purchasing a domain name, don't be. Smartynames.com offers premium .coms at regular prices, so you don't have to break the bank to get a great domain name. Plus, with domain availability across 500 extensions, you're sure to find something that works for you. Another great feature of Smartynames.com is that it offers social media handle availability. You can check if the domain name you want is available on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These can be a real lifesaver if you use social media to promote your business. And if you're new to AI, you'll love the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. These can be a great way to learn about AI and how it's changing our world. One of the things that I love about this website is that it works with trusted partners like Name.com, GoDaddy, and Namecheap to make it easy to find the domain names you're looking for and purchase them directly. And if you're new to the world of AI, you can sign up for the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to find the perfect domain name for your business, look no further than Smartynames.com. With its advanced algorithms, unique alt TLDs, and premium features, you're sure to find a domain name that will help your business stand out from the crowd.